Welcome back to another video on my channel where we talk about everything related to affiliate marketing. In today's video, I am going to share my top strategies for building an engaged affiliate marketing audience from scratch. Are you struggling to build an audience for your affiliate marketing business? If yes, then this video is going to be a game changer for you. I have used these strategies to grow my own audience, and I am confident that they will work for you too. Let's dive in. 1. Know your audience. The first strategy for building an engaged affiliate marketing audience is to know your audience. You need to identify who your target audience is and what their pain points are. Once you know this, you can create content that resonates with them. The best way to know your audience is to create a buyer persona. This will help you understand your audience's demographics, interests, and challenges. You can create a buyer persona by conducting surveys and analyzing social media insights. 2. Provide value. The second strategy for building an engaged affiliate marketing audience is to provide value. Your audience should feel that they are gaining something from your content. Your content should be informative, entertaining, and engaging. To provide value, you need to understand your audience's pain points and provide solutions to their problems. You can create content in the form of blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media posts. 3. Build your email list. The third strategy for building an engaged affiliate marketing audience is to build your email list. Your email list is a powerful tool to reach your audience directly. You can use your email list to promote your affiliate products and provide exclusive content to your subscribers. To build your email list, you need to offer something of value in exchange for your subscribers' email address. This could be a free ebook, a course, or a discount code. 4. Engage with your audience. The fourth strategy for building an engaged affiliate marketing audience is to engage with your audience. You should respond to comments, ask for feedback, and involve your audience in your content creation process. Engaging with your audience helps you build a relationship with them. They feel valued and are more likely to become your loyal followers. 5. Be consistent. The fifth strategy for building an engaged affiliate marketing audience is to be consistent. You need to create content regularly to keep your audience engaged. You should have a content calendar and stick to it. Being consistent helps you build trust with your audience. They know that they can rely on you for quality content. These are my top strategies for building an engaged affiliate marketing audience. I hope you found these tips helpful. Let me know in the comments which strategy you are going to implement first.